Well, it is the most spectacularly beautiful winter day that you're ever going to see. Deer tracks all over the place, and you may recall that right here is where we've been putting the food down. And they're just amazing. I mean, you got about 7 or 8 inches of snow here, and they just find it. They'll find that food. Yeah, what a beautiful day. Really, really is. Hey, if you enjoy our videos, we sure would appreciate a thumbs up right here. Thanks so much for joining us. Yeah, I consider myself kind of a weather geek. Always have been, always been fascinated by the weather, and for many years of my life, my living has depended on it. Many years ago, I used to own a landscape construction company. We did landscaping and we did snow plowing in the winter, and so obviously weather was a huge contributing factor to what we did every day. But this, overnight, I did not see coming. And again, I monitor the weather pretty close. And we, I don't know, we got, I don't know, we're 5, 6, 7 inches of snow overnight. I do know at about 9 o'clock last night, it was snowing pretty hard, but I thought it was going to be just a temporary burst. But it's not. But that's okay. I'm telling you what, it is so beautiful out here. It's only 14 degrees. And now we're supposed to get up in the 40s in a couple days, so a lot of what you see is going to melt. So thanks for joining us, and let's go have some fun. So I think this is pretty interesting. We get about 90 inches of snow each year, and I'm looking at these statistics I just pulled up, and we had 45.6 inches of snow in January alone. We've got about 71 inches so far this year. But as you've watched the channel, you've seen we haven't had any big snows. I mean, I think there's, I don't know, 6, 8 inches out there right now, which, as I said earlier, came as kind of a surprise to me. But no big snows. It's just been consistent. Every few days, a couple inches here, a couple inches there, you know, which is fine with me. I don't mind being out there plowing it. It's not a big deal to do. But really, I'll bet I have plowed snow more this year than the last 3 years combined. I mean, it's just relentless this year. Take the trickle charger off. So now what I'm doing is pushing the snowbanks back. I'm trying to prepare for what will be some more snow. It's only the first day of February. And if you watched our last video, you saw I got in a little bit of trouble doing this relative to my camera. Well, this time I was smart enough to move the camera off the bucket and onto the roof of the cab. But in a minute you'll see I get in a whole new kind of trouble. Yeah, well, that's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it, and we're going to see you next time. Love being with you guys. Hey, if you have subscribed in the past, please make sure that you're still subscribed. Thank you so much, and God bless you. We'll see you next time on Tractors in Life.